Hi guys, quick overview of a light module for Chevy truck. So what we have here, when you turn in, it's turn on automatically turn signals. When you're trying to ride backward, it's automatically turning a white signal. And also I'm use this potentiometer to turn on headlights. First it turning upper headlights, then you continue and it's turning bottom headlights. Also I'm use this spinning potentiometer for controlling two aux channels. First aux channel I'm using in bull bar, and spinning next it's turning second aux channel, and then both channels turning on. And if model standing still without riding for some times, it's turning on an alarm mode when left and right turn signals is flashing.